Capital A, small a. A for ant. The avid, active ant. See and say. Apple. Ass. Angel. Aeroplane. Capital B, small b. B for bird. The bold, blue bird. See and say. Balloon. Bear. Bat. Butterfly. Capital C, small c. C for cat. The crimson collar cat. See and say. Cake. Camera. Cow. Carrot. Capital D, small d. D for duck. The dumpy dotted duck. See and say. Dog. Doll. Drum. Donkey. Capital E, small e. E for elephant. The elegant elephant. See and say. Eggs. Eagle. Engine. Eraser. Capital F, small f. F for fox. The funny fox. See and say. Flower. Flag. Frog. Fish. Capital G, small g. G for gorilla. The greedy gorilla. See and say. Goat. Grapes. Gazelle. Gloves. Capital H, small h. H for hen. The hot-headed hen. See and say. Horse. Hog. Hat. House. Capital I, small I. I for ibex. The irate ibex. See and say. Ice cream. Igloo. Ice. Iron. Capital J, small j. J for joker. The jolly joker. See and say. Jeep. Jam. Jug. Jacket. Capital K, small k. K for kangaroo. The kinetic kangaroo. See and say. kite. Key, king, kiwi. Capital L, small l. L for lion, the lusty lion. See and say. Lamp, lemon. Lamb, ladybird. Capital M, small m. M for monkey. Moon, mango. Mouse, a merry monkey eating a bun. Capital N, small n. N for nurse. Nightingale, nest. Nut, a nipper playing on a net. Capital O, small o. O for owl. Onion, orange. Ox, an ox pulling a cart. Capital P, small p. P for parrot. Pig, pea. Potato, a pig writing with a pencil. Capital Q, small q. Q for quail. Queen, quill. Quilt, children boarding a bus in a queue. Capital R, small r. R for rabbit. Rainbow, rose. Rat, a rat scared of the cat. Capital S, small s. S for seal. Sun, snail. Shoes, seahorses swimming in the sea. Capital T, small t. T for tiger. Tree, turtle. Tomato, a toddler receiving a telephone. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella. Unicorn, uncle. Urn, an umpire in uniform. Capital V, small v. V for vulture. Violin, van. Vegetables, birds flying in a V shape. Capital W, small w. W for whale. Watermelon, wheel. Wasp, women carrying water in pitchers. Capital X, small x. X for Xmas tree. X-ray, xylophone, Xerox, a fox afraid of the oxen. Capital Y, small y. Y for yak. Yacht, yarn. Yell, yappy ducks with yellow beaks. Capital Z, small z. Z for zebra. Zoo, zero. Zip, children with zero-shaped tubes. Let us revise. Capital A, small a. A for ant. Capital B, small b. B for bird. Capital C, small c. C for cat. Capital D, small d. D for duck. Capital E, small e. E for elephant. Capital F, small f. F for fox. Capital G, small g. G for gorilla. Capital H, small h. H for hen. Capital I, small I. I for ibex. Capital J, small j. J for joker. Capital K, small k. K for kangaroo. Capital L, small l. L for lion. Capital M, small m. M for monkey. Capital N, small n. N for nurse. Capital O, small o. O for owl. Capital P, small p. P for parrot. Capital Q, small q. Q for quail. Capital R, small r. R for rabbit. Capital S, small s. S for seal. Capital T, small t. T for tiger. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella. Capital V, small v. V for vulture. Capital W, small w. W for whale. Capital X, small x. X for Xmas tree. Capital Y, small y. Y for yak. Capital Z, small z. Z for zebra.